May this prayer rise like dawn, a flame reborn where hope had gone. Great source within, awaken the flame. Call every heart gently by name. Not to be saved, but to remember that we are the spark, the glowing ember.
Revive us, O breath of the earth, where we've forgotten, let spirit call. Awaken the dreamers, the seekers of light, ignite the soul with sacred sight. Raven, hoping to strike.
White tears cleanse what time could not. Let forgiveness bloom in every thought. Guide the weary, awaken the still. Let divine love break every will.
No longer waiting, no longer blind. We walk with source and truth aligned. Not with might, but heart revealed. The fractured soul now gently healed.
Revive us, O flame of the star. We are not lost, we know who we are. Awaken the ancient, the child, the wise. We walk the path where the truth never dies. E-Ha-Rah. Return. Let this be the breath that calls us home, a prayer for all, one soul.